Hello everyone, this printer is Brother Professional MFC-J5740DW. Going to show you how to set this up. This is the power cable. So go at the back, connect the power cable to this power cable port on the right, plug it onto the socket. So from the screen, you need to select your country, then select OK. You selected your country, then you select yes. It will show you accepted. Now it's showing us now install emboss ink. Now to install the ink, open up this and remove this. These are the ink cartridges. BK black goes on the right, followed by then yellow, cyan, and magenta. So this is black ink cartridges. Then you go in. So the next is yellow. So you take the yellow, followed by cyan. The last but not the least is magenta. So if you want to remove it, just pull down to remove the ink cartridges. Then close this. Preparing the ink will take 3 minutes. While preparing the ink, you can proceed with the initial setup. So this is how to install the ink. Now I'm going to show you how to load papers. Open the casket. So this is casket 1. So you take the paper. So you load the paper this way. So this is casket 2. So you take the paper. This is how to load the paper. Once you load the paper, you also need to make sure you cover it up. Cover the paper. This is A3 paper. You go to the back, and to load A3, this is A3. Just need to adjust this. Then take the paper. This is A3. And you need to make sure the smooth part need to be up. The rough part need to be at the back. So this is how to install the ink cartridges and also load the paper trays. And once the ink is installed, it will take about 3 minutes to settle in the system for the initialization to take place. And after that, it will show you the date for you to put the date. Start from the date year. Then once you select the year, then you select OK. Then it will show you the month. Then you type the month. Then select OK. Then you type the date. Then select OK. Then you check the time and put the time. Then select OK. Then it will show you information on the Web Connect. Fireware and app updates can be displayed by automatically connecting to internet. So this is how to install the ink cartridges and load paper trays. So you print quality check sheet. When you print quality check sheet, it will ask you if check print quality. If okay, print result will be as below. It will show you magenta, cyan, yellow, and BK. It will ask you, are there any dot line missing? Then you select yes or no. No. Print head nozzle check. For the best print quality, we recommend checking the print alignment. Then you select start alignment. Choose paper A4, then select start. So we're going to align the print head. Select start. Do not remove adjustment sheet until printing stop. Place the sheet on the scanner glass. Make sure the black circle is in the upper left corner of the scan glass. So you take this. So make sure this circle starts from the left side. So make sure the document is aligned properly. Then close the glass scanner. Then select start. Now it's scanning. The alignment paper. Paper adjustment completed. To check the print alignment later, select print alignment from settings, maintenance / improve print quality alignment. Then you select OK. Select paper size and type. Then you check tray setting. Tray 1, we have A4. Tray 2, A4. Then scroll down, MP3. Then you change. So tray 1, we have A4 paper. Tray 2, we have A4. Then scroll down. We have paper tray, MP3, A3, which is pull up paper tray. You can set up to 100 sheets of plain paper or 5 sheets of the media type. Then you select OK. Then you select OK. Then you select OK. Then you select no changes. Then it will show you visit brother.com or web page to connect your computer or mobile phone. Then you select OK. It will show you the screen with fast, copy and scan, and also show you the ink level. A3, copy, shortcut, download software, print head. So this is how to align print head for this printer. Thank you very much indeed.